I just finished fully servicing this wonderful Reuge singing bird cage. And the bird on this cage is the prettiest bird that I've ever seen. Yeah, I'll try to get a little bit more light here. I mean, the blues are just incredibly vivid with some iridescent green and some white, and I just think it's really a gorgeous bird. The cage overall is in like new condition. The gold has high luster, and again, it just looks like new. Let's hear it play. We'll start off in the pause mode. As you can see, the pause works excellent. So, bear with me. We're going to put it to continuous. The bird sings perfectly, hitting all of the proper oscillating notes. The whistle has a very sweet sound. The mechanism winds smoothly and runs quietly. Excellent condition. I fully serviced the mechanism, so everything works as it should. I'm going to turn it off. You slide the lever to the left. It is mechanical wind. Winds from the bottom. In summary, an excellent Reuge singing bird cage with an absolutely stunning blue bird. Take care.